How to prevent word table jumping to next page. So if you want to prevent the word table jumping to next page, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Word document. After opening a Word document, now as you can see that the table is jumping from this page to this page. That means that it's not split. So if you want to adjust or prevent the word table from jumping to the next page, and if you want this like half of the table on this page and half of the table on this page, then you just need simply select the table from here. Select the table, right click on it, go with table properties, or you may also have the table properties under your table layout. Go with table layout, which is on the top, and here you will have the table properties. Now under table properties, you need to just go with allow row to break across pages. Make sure that it is turned on. Once you turn this on, now you need to go with OK. And as you can see that you have the table in both of the pages and it won't jump to the next page. Even if you give it some space, then it will only adjust a few columns or rows. That's how you can prevent word table jumping to the next page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.